One of the things that you may not think about is your ductwork. It's kind of hidden, and you know, in a bi-level home or in a home that has ductwork that's outside the envelope, either in the attic or underneath that garage, you can be losing up to 40% of the air that you pay to heat and cool going into places you don't want. So a duct leakage test is so critical to make these measurements and to find those problems and to fix them. Simply doing a duct boot seal, which a lot of people will recommend just by looking, doesn't give you the answers. Only testing will give you those answers. Like I said, the Department of Energy says you could be losing up to 40% of the air that you pay to heat and cool. And you know, the other thing on the negative side of that is when those leaks happen, it can pull in all sorts of toxins from the crawl space, insulation from the attic, fumes from the garage. Again, another way to make you sick. And ductwork is kind of hidden and you don't think about it. So there again, we talk about the doctor analogy again. If your stomach hurts and you go to the doctor and he says, well, let's just give you some pills. And you say, well, wait a minute, aren't you going to do any tests or anything? You can't find these problems without doing testing. So you wouldn't have your doctor give you all sorts of pills or do surgery without doing some testing first. And we recommend always get that ductwork checked. We'll do the simple test, which is included in our normal energy audit. And if indications warrant, what we'll do is that we will go in and do the duct blasting test to really find those deep problems.